The fourth principle of making content that Google loves is to make it actionable. You want to make sure that when somebody reads your content, they are ready to go implement it and they don't immediately go back to Google looking for more answers. Now, that's going to mean different things for different articles, but the way I tried to do it in this was by providing all of the reasons that somebody would do it, by providing my day-by-day experience, and most importantly, by talking about doing your own fast. Because people who are reading this are probably curious about doing one of their own. And I wanted to give them a way that they could do it based on the information that I provided. So whatever you're doing, find ways to add action items at the end or useful steps so that somebody can go do whatever it is you're talking about. Now, as another example, I just launched this article on blocking email pop-ups. So I think it's block email pop-ups. There we go. And this article is just pure step-by-step meat. So this one I'm working on ranking for how to block email pop-ups. Now, the way I did that was I made it really, really clear. Okay, step 1, install ad block. Step 2, go to filters. Step 3, add this thing. And then you're done, right? I wanted them to show up and immediately have the actionable steps that they needed to get this thing done. And that's a very, very effective way to make people take action on your content instead of going back to Google. If you can add in steps like this to what you're talking about, that helps a lot with creating an actionable piece of content that people will go use instead of just searching for more answers. So if you're going to break it up in terms of steps and not just lists of random things they could do. Give them a progression to follow so that they go out and actually do it instead of looking for more answers.